You might be wondering how these sellers can sell items cheaper than Amazon and still generate profit over time. In this video, I will show you how you can start eBay dropshipping and start selling items really fast. If it's your first time on this channel, subscribe for more tips and tricks for selling on eBay and other marketplaces. So you want to start an eBay dropshipping business, but you can't select the right supplier or facing issues in getting sales? This video will open your eyes. These sellers are making 5 figures on eBay doing old school dropshipping method from Walmart to eBay or Amazon to eBay, so you can do it too. But the question is, how can they earn money selling items lower than the market price on Amazon or Walmart? If you take a look and browse through eBay and Walmart or Amazon and compare prices between eBay dropshippers, you will see that there are plenty of sellers selling items cheaper. And the only thing they do is buy discounted gift cards for Walmart or Amazon. Now, it seems there is something not right with these things, and perhaps there are some shady things behind all these discounts. But let me show you where you can get these discounted gift cards. You can go to Paxful and register your account and start buying gift cards at discounted prices. I left the link in my description. If you register through my affiliate link, I will get a tiny commission based on the amount you have purchased. In this site, you can find any type of discounted gift cards for most of the online marketplaces. We just need to go to Gift Card Hub and look for Walmart, for example. You will see plenty of sellers selling Walmart gift cards at discounted prices. The lowest price I ever saw was 45% discount on Walmart gift cards. If you think how this is possible, they might be buying gift cards from people who doesn't really want anything from Walmart, but still want to cash out their presents they got. I always prefer to stay with the ones that are trusted on this marketplace and communicate with them before purchasing our gift cards. So here's the things you should ask the seller before buying a gift card. Is it possible to buy with an escrow agent? Will you replace the gift card if it won't work? Sometimes gift cards expire same day after selling them, so you have to work with trusted sellers only to get the highest chance of successful trade. Can you reduce the price over time if I will be buying more? These sellers do pay taxes to the marketplace and they are selling gift cards for many years. They might reduce the price for your gift card if you increase the amount of daily purchase from the same seller. It shouldn't be very hard as you will receive multiple sales in the first days of selling them for a lower price. You don't even need to have many items on your eBay account. But if you hate eBay, you can also dropship from eBay to Amazon and use the very same method with discounted gift cards. Just go to Gift Card Hub and select eBay. From this time, you will be able to purchase discounted gift cards for eBay. Think about all the potential you are having now. Have a source of unlimited discounts for each Amazon, Walmart, or eBay item. You can actually make a purchase of newest iPhone and sell it locally, and you don't even need to have an Amazon or eBay seller account for this. It's totally up to you how you will use this information, but it has high potential to grow the budget and make money online and offline. Now, I know you may face suspension from time to time on eBay for growing too fast or even dropshipping, which can be really tricky for huge accounts. If you want to work safely without getting suspension, you have to split your revenue between multiple of eBay accounts. If you don't know how you can do it, we have written 60 pages guide on how to create an eBay stealth account on the same name, even you were suspended before. The link is in the description. Now, I know it may be too complicated if you are a beginner in dropshipping on eBay, so if you didn't like this method, you can start doing standard dropshipping from Amazon to eBay or try other suppliers from China. There are plenty of successful eBay dropshippers that are buying their items right from AliExpress or other marketplaces. If you wish to try dropship from China, you should consider the fact that it will take much more items and time to start selling profitable. It also takes ages to get profit of $1,000 or $2,000 per month, but it's way less complicated, and this is a standard dropshipping model on eBay without any tricks. Now you might be wondering how you can list your items faster to eBay. I'm sure there are many Google Chrome extensions in the internet that allows you to list items from, let's say, AliExpress, Amazon or Walmart. But you should avoid using eBay listers that asks you to connect your store with an API. This might result in flagging your account. For those who don't know what is flag on eBay account, it means that you are limited with the traffic from eBay to your listings. And mostly, flag means that you are getting 90% less in sales. We don't want this to happen, so avoid using listers with API. Look for non-API listers on the internet. If you wish to list your items manually, which is way better for both your account health and eBay algorithm, I could suggest the Google Chrome extension called Fatcon Batch Download. It works very simple. After you install the extension, you go to any page that has images and click Alt+Z. And the window will pop up with all the images from the particular page. You can easily select and download one or multiple images, and this plugin is free and works in every website on the internet. Next, you will only have to rewrite the title on eBay and improve your search visibility. Don't keep the same title, as it also could cost a flag for reselling directly from Amazon. Improve title, upload images, fill specification, and the last part is description. For the description, it's very easy, but you have to follow this step to avoid getting flagged or suspended on eBay. Once you copy the description from anywhere, Amazon, Walmart or eBay, make sure to paste this description into Notepad or any other text editor that doesn't have fonts. From there you have to make a copy again and paste it to eBay. By doing this, you will get rid of Amazon and Walmart licensed fonts, and eBay cannot tell that you took the description directly from Amazon. Not doing this may cause a flag or suspension. Believe me, I do dropship since 2014 and many people fail on this simple mistake. And then they claim that dropshipping is dead, but I was there. I survived many dropshipping ends over all these years. Each time someone is starting to argue with me about dropshipping, I know they only tried once and failed. This is not what business is. It has many obstacles and you don't want to try things only once. If you are just starting, you don't know anything about how things are working on eBay, and you cannot say that it's not working by trying only once. When I was starting, it took me almost 1 year and about 50 eBay accounts was suspended till I understood how to do it properly. Don't worry, as you are watching this channel, all you need to do is to subscribe and watch for our future videos. We will explain each and every topic you would ever need to do successful eBay dropshipping business.